Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on Windows with the error message, a driver cannot load on this device, a security settings is detecting this as a vulnerable driver and blocking it from loading. You'll need to adjust your settings to load this driver. So this issue commonly arises after installing major system updates such as Windows 11 24H2 due to increased security measures that block outdated or unauthorized drivers. And then I'll show you how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable the memory integrity. So all you have to do is to open settings or press the Windows key plus letter I combinations to open the system settings. So once you open up the system settings and on left side menu and then go to privacy and security, and on right pane and then you can see the security and open Windows security. So under here at Windows security and you can see this open Windows security, and under here at protection areas, then you need to select device security. So click and open this one. So under this device security and you can see this core isolations, all you have to do is to click this core isolation details. So open this one. And under this memory integrity and you need this to toggle off. You can see this button and then you need to turn off. If you receive user account control and tap yes. So once you toggle off this memory integrity and on start menu, and then you need to restart. Okay, so tap this restart. So after restarting your PC, and then the next solutions we will do is to roll back to previous working driver. So all you have to do is to right click on start menu and then select device manager. So once you open up this device manager, and the next step, then you need to expand the system device. So click this arrow to expand. And then you need to find this EMD device. So for examples, you already locate this EMD device. So all you have to do is to select and right click and then select properties. On processor properties, and then you need to select this driver. So here in driver, and then you need to select this rollback driver. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. So click this rollback and then click OK. Alright, so after here at device manager, and the other solutions we will do is to perform a system restore. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And here at search for apps, then you need to type create restore point and then click open. So once you open up already the system properties, and the next step, you need to select the system protections. And under this system restore, and then you need to open the system restore. And then restore system files and settings. And then next step, you need to tap this next. And here at restore your computer to the state it was it before the selected events. So you need to select this one of the event. So select and at the bottom, you need to tap this next, alright, and then follow the instructions. Alright, so after here, at system properties, on and start menu, then we need to restart again. Okay, so tap restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix a driver cannot load on this device, Amsdk.sys error in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.